Hello guys, so I just found this hacker on MSP. Sorry for the lag. I'm gonna say fine, I'll give you my pass. So this girl, I'll go to the text messages when she's, hey dude, you can just read it. Well, this is not the whole text, I'll go to the full text. Because it was yesterday when she tried to hack me, and today. So, yes. I'm really not going to give her the password. But, oh god, lag, okay. Okay, so she said, hold on, it's all the way up here. Okay. Can I have her account? No. I'll give you this one. Please, you can just read it. Okay, so you saw those. Now we're gonna give a password, but sure. Okay, so I'm gonna give mine first because she's a hacker, and I know she's gonna hack me. So yeah. So yeah. I'm gonna give her my account password. That's really not the password, but yeah, let's see how she reacts. And she's gonna regret what she does, because I'm gonna report her like 50 or 20 times. Well, not 50, but yeah, I'm gonna report her. So yeah, lie. Okay, she know I lied, but I don't care, honestly, because every time I give her the password, she sees if it's wrong, right? So yeah, that's how she's gonna hack me, and I'm not dumb, so girl, just get on, please. So yeah, she thinks I'm dumb, but I'm not. I wouldn't let you write it like that. How many times do I have to say it? What? Know how to spell, girl, please. Okay, she probably like a 5-year-old. I don't know. But I barely have no pants. Or no shoes. I have to get my coins and stuff up. Okay. But all I know, she's a hacker. I used to be VIP, but yeah. I'm gonna choose any animation. I have this one for like 2 days. 2 days. I'm gonna choose that one. I'm gonna give you my real password, not the real one, but it's real but fake. Okay, I'm gonna new owner. So yeah, so she's a hacker. Oops, sorry for the lag, guys. Sorry. Okay, I don't like the new thing, really don't. So okay, but yeah. This girl tried to hack me, and go report her. Angelina11 Love. So go report her and report her like 20 times so her account gets shut down. I mean, not shut down, locked forever. So yeah, lie. She probably knew I'm recording. Okay. Okay guys, so that's it. Okay. scammer. She knows. Now she knows I was recording the whole time. And my YouTube is Deja Hope. That's not my real name. I just made it up, guys. Okay, but yeah, she's a liar. So everybody go report her in block. So ha 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 ha. Now everyone is gonna report you. And my backup YouTube is MSP Girl Media. So everybody go subscribe to MSP Girl Media and my new account, Deja Hope. She blocked me. Wait, let me see. Ha ha ha. Oh no, she just gone offline. She didn't block me, I think. Oh yeah, she gone offline. So that's what she gets. So yeah, this was a very interesting video. Cause I have a hacker now. So yeah, please, if you're seeing this with MXP, just report this girl, please. Remove it from MSP. So yeah, I guess so. So I guess I'm gonna end the video here. So yeah, but before I leave, comment if you like the new theme. I don't like it very well, but yeah. Oh, mute that. I hate the MSP sound. So yeah, MSP has very been laggy, and not enough people in here. So that means like a ton of people got hacked. So yeah. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe, like, and comment. Bye. See you next time in the next video. Bye, guys.